and welcome to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Today we are going to talk about hydroponic growing technique, which is also known as a soilless growing culture. In this video, I will introduce you to the subject hydroponic. As this is the first video in the series, I will also brief you about the topic I am going to cover under the different video in the series. So let's get started. Over the last decade, people's interest in how their food is being produced has increased greatly. More and more consumer wants safe food that has been produced with the sustainable growing practices and free from chemical pesticide residues. As a result, conscious consumers are choosing to grow their own food and many are exploring organic or hydroponic as the way for doing so. Most of us who are growing vegetables in our backyard gardens may think that all we have to do is to sow some seed into soil and water it, and they will germinate and grow into a productive plants, and we will get the good yields. However, this is nothing more than the wishful thinking unless we know the proper technique for successful soil growing. In fact, we face lot of challenges with the soil structure, fertility, watering cycle, pest and diseases management, and many other. List is very long. So if you are faced with the similar challenges, question arise into the mind, is there any another way which gives us a better control over this limiting factor to increase our vegetable production? Hydroponic culture may be the right answer for it. Hydroponic is a method of growing plants indoor or outdoor without using any soil. Instead of pulling nutrient needed for the growth from the ground, plants get all their nourishment through the nutrient solution supplied to the roots directly. Basically, growing plants in a soil or hydroponically requires a similar condition from their environmental point of view for good yields. However, with hydroponics you can have a better control over many of the limiting factors that plant encounters into the soil. Going one step further, by growing the vegetables in a greenhouse hydroponically, you can also control some of the outside limiting factors such as light, humidity, temperature, etc., and exclude to a large degree of the pest and disease problem with your plants. In addition, this will enable you to grow year round in a greenhouse, producing high quality plants even during the off season. Hydroponics works in a variety of scenarios. People with the limited or no space, such as living in urban residence, apartment, or renters who cannot have that outdoor gardens, find hydroponic growing especially useful. From growing a small collection of herbs in a kitchen and sunny balcony, or growing your daily vegetable needs in your backyard garden or terrace, to all the way up to the numerous plants in a large scale commercial operation is possible with the hydroponic, as it is easily scalable technique. You can also go for growing vertically to optimize the space available or even inside a closed room with the help of artificial lighting. All is possible with the hydroponic. While most crops grown in the soil can be grown hydroponically, the emphasis due to the economic viability is on some of the base growing plants into hydroponic system, which includes herbs, lettuce and greens, tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, cucumber and strawberries are the most popular amongst them. As a rule, we should avoid plants that grow tall like corn, have deep taproots, and tubers like potatoes, where profit to cost ratios are not encouraging and are not so popular amongst the hydroponic growers. If you're thinking of embarking on a hydroponic project, you'll first need to learn the fundamental concept of the growing plants hydroponically. While the plant growth involves many metabolic processes, plant grows primarily because of the three main items: essential nutrient, water, and the sunlight. In the traditional garden, soil anchors the plant and acts as a reservoir for the water and nutrient. A hydroponic system eliminates the need for the soil by providing a nutrient charged aqueous solution directly to the roots that keeps the plant fed and hydrated, while supplemental lighting solution mimic the sunlight. This seems like too simple explanation and doesn't justify the most promising future agriculture technique showing its full potential. For that, you need to know every detail which enable you to grow successfully with the hydroponic culture. To make the thing simple, you need to simply follow the procedure I am going to explain in detail, keeping in focus on the production of the vegetable crop year round within your home garden or in a greenhouse. All that is coming up. Stay on the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel by pressing the icon below to watch this and other interesting video on the similar subjects. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. In this video series, you will discover all the basic of the hydroponics. I am going to explain in detail about in and out of the hydroponic or soilless growing. Means what, why and how about the hydroponics. A detailed definition, a brief history, its evolution, present scenario and the future prospects, its advantages and limitations, different system in practice including aeroponics and aquaponics and its suitability to the different crops, different media and their alternative that can be used, about the nutrients and their importance for the plant growth, different nutrient solution formulations and control measure for maximizing the growth, crop wise growing requirement detail, followed by some cost effective simple do it yourself solutions which will enable you to grow your own food successfully. I will also share with you the cost analysis for the commercial setup and updates about my setup performance regularly and many more things basing your query. Greenhouse or polyhouse are complementary to the hydroponic system. Basically, both are separate subjects, but together they put an excellent result in making the operation profitable. For successful operation, you must know the type of protected structure to be used, their suitability and operation with the specific crop based local area condition, which I will cover under the separate series on the protected cultivation. If you are really interested on the subject and want to learn more about this technique, you simply need to subscribe my channel and keep your bell notification button on, which will alert you on each of my new upload. You need to watch the video in sequence till the end as I am going to share many of the tips for successful growing. Give me like to convey your appreciation on my work and share it to the like-minded people as my aim is to make more and more people aware about this technique in a most simple way that they can also start growing their own clean food regardless of space constraint, whether they have an open space in a backyard, terrace, or even into the balcony where some daylight is available for growing the plant. I will also provide details for commercial greenhouse hydroponic setup where you can grow in a bulk and sell it to the interested one nearby to add an extra source of income with a minimum of effort. You can also learn about the organic growing in my other video on the channel. To know any subject into detail, you must know first his history. So I am going to share you the history of hydroponic, how it has evolved over the years, its present scenario, and the future potential to grow. All that coming up into the upcoming part of the video. So stay tuned, don't go away. Happy growing!